How to add stickers and overlays in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo from the top toolbar and choose an image from your gallery, or tap the camera icon at the top right to capture a new photo. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, tap on the Add option from the bottom toolbar. Now, select any image from your gallery that you want to use as a sticker or overlay. This could be a transparent PNG, icon, or any other design element. After adding the image, it will appear as a new layer. You can resize, rotate, and position it anywhere on your main photo, just like a sticker or overlay. For multiple stickers or graphics, repeat the same step by adding more images using the Add option. You can also tap on the three dots below any layer to rearrange, duplicate, or delete it if needed. Once you are happy with the placement and adjustments, tap the check mark to confirm the changes. And that's it. Now you know how to add stickers and overlays in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.